Hi, my name's Liberty. I'm an RME technician for Amazon UK. I've always sort of known about engineering as a job through my dad. So he was a senior radio frequency engineer. So I would go into work and see what he was doing in the lab. Coming to Amazon was a change in environment, something different people, different equipment, kind of broadening my horizons a bit. RME is reliability maintenance engineering, so it's behind the scenes of Amazon, of getting a parcel from A to B, working on the equipment. Day shifts be more maintenance, whereas the night shifts be when everything kind of comes alive more. They're more reactive, music on, parcels going through. It's very energetic. In the warehouse, we have a lot of conveyors to look after, and although we do maintenance regularly, things will break down. So we've got monitoring systems which will tell us if the vibration changes, if the sound changes, if the heat changes. It does help make the job so much easier using the tools. When we get new tech, there's a lot of support. We've got various wikis which will give you a step-by-step how to set up the tech and what to do. There'll be training courses, so you'll always have the support to use it. My team have been absolutely amazing, and when I joined there's already a girl on site, so you usually don't get many females in engineering. And there's so many women in RME. It's actually surprising coming to Amazon where there were so many of us. It's been nice having a community, especially with the women at Amazon. We've got such a strong team bond, we do support each other so much. Everyone's always happy to help. To be in a team where everyone supports you is just amazing, really. Cut.